Okay, this is a video of showing how you can put a hinge restrictor on our Bloom European hinges. Sergio is helping me. We're going to show you how it goes in first. You simply line up the dowels, you get it flush, you get the hinge flush to the back of the door, and then you push down on that flap and that will set the hinge into the cabinet opening for you. To put a hinge restrictor on, it's a real simple thing. It's just this little tiny piece of black material. If you open the hinge up and you take this little black, basically it's just a plastic piece, you slide it down in that slot right there. I'm going to zoom in on it and push it flush. You'll see that it absolutely fits perfectly in there. I'm going to zoom in on it. Now when you open the hinge, it has a restrictor and that door will only open to about an 85-degree opening. Now, to get that out, you have to take the hinge off of the door. There's a little lever right here. All you do is pop that open. The flap will open up. That will allow you to remove the hinge from the hole. Now you close the hinge. And all you have to do is remove that little black piece of plastic and reinsert the hinge. Flap it down. Now the door is back to a 110-degree opening. It's that simple.